How to contact Bricklink support. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can contact Bricklink customer support. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Bricklink account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically where you see different products that you can get on Bricklink. So once you can see all of this, the next step or the next thing to do is to go your um to your lower part of the screen. Yeah, just scroll down to the lower part of the screen where you can see some options or some columns such as buy, sell, build more. Under the more column, you can see options like forums, help center, problem center, switch to XP, news, announcement. Just go ahead and click on help center. After clicking on help center, you'll be brought to the help centers page. Okay, so here you can see different topics that you can ask question on, and some of them include about Bricklink, administrative, buying, selling, etc. Now you can just decide to check out if your question fall under any of these topics. You can just select it and then be redirected to another page. On this page, you can then check out similar articles, try them out, and then be resolved. But if not, scroll down and then you'll see you can ask your members, these forum members, for help. You can make a suggestion and then you can then contact Bricklink directly by clicking on the help desk option. Once you click on it, you can see a write-up saying that before you contact us, please understand that Bricklink is not the seller, etc. Try to find help in the help center. But if you tried to find help and you cannot, you can now go ahead and contact the help center. And then the next step here is to select your question. After selecting your question, you'll be directed to the help desk. Then on this page, you'll be asked to enter your first name, last name, email, message. Click on submit. The message will be sent directly to Bricklink, and then a response will be sent to you via your email. All right, so that is how it works. This is how you can contact Bricklink customer support. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.